Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will present our assignment for design thinking. My name is Muhammad Iqbal with name 4242 301047. Our my PLC title is PLC Model Workbench. My job in this PBL is electrical. Okay, we are going to project background. Uh, PLC learning requires practical activities that effectively support theoretical understanding. However, laboratory practice often face limitations such as a limited numbers of trainers, inflexible design, and learning media that not fully represent real industrial systems. As a result, students experience difficulties in understanding PLC input-output concepts, wiring, and system integration. To overcome these issues, the PLC Model Workbench was developed as a modular and open practical learning tool. It simulates industrial PLC input and output system using DB25 adapters, input-output PCB, and input-output modules. This workbench supports PBL by encouraging active students' involvement in system design and experimentation. Now we are going to project specification. The PLC model, the specification first is the PLC model workbench is designed as a modular and integrated PLC practical training tool. Second is the input set includes simulation modules such as limit switch and push button to represent industrial sensors, while the output set use relays and indicators to display PLC responses. And the third is the mechanical structure use an acrylic box to protect components and allow clear system observation. Now we are going to project timeline. On this slide, we present the project timeline of the PLC model workbench. The project is divided into two main stages: mechanical and electrical development. The mechanical stage focus on 3D design and 3D design of the PLC adapter interface and acrylic box. Meanwhile, the electrical stage includes the design of the PLC interface and PLC input-output connector. This timeline helps ensure that the project is completed in a structured and systematic manner. Now we are going to mechanical stage. This let's explain the mechanical stage of the project. At this stage, we design the 3D model of the PLC adapter interface and the protective acrylic box. The mechanical design is adjusted to component dimensions and data sheets to ensure proper placement, protection, and ease to assembly. This design also allow user to clearly observe the system during practical activities. Now we are going to electrical stage. This slide shows the electrical development stage. The electrical design includes the PLC adapter interface and the PLC input-output connectors modules. These modules are designed to simplify wiring and support flexible input and output configuration. All circuits are implemented on PCB to improve safety, neatness, and maintenance. Now we are going to flowchart. This flowchart illustrates the PBL workflow of the PLC model workbench project. The process begins with the task distribution among team members, followed by literature study and budget planning. The project then branches into two parallel processes: mechanical design and electrical design. On the mechanical side, the process includes 3D design of the PCB input, PLC adapter interface, and the PLC box. Each design stage is evaluated and revisions are made if necessary before continue. On the electrical side, the workflow starts with the designing the DB25 PLC adapter interface, followed by PCB input-output connector, and design for the PLC box. Similar evaluation and revision steps ensure design accuracy before PCB fabrication and electrical assembly. After both mechanical and electrical stage are completed, the project process to testing and evaluation to verify system functionality, the functionality. The the final steps include project documentation, report preparation, and final benchmarking. Benchmarking project is for the completion of the project. Now we are going to problem solving. This slide presents the problem solving process of this slide presents the problem solving process during the project. Problem solving process during the project. Several challenges were encountered, such as wiring complexity and component integration. These issues were addressed by improving the modular design and adjusting the layout of the PCB and connector. As a result, the system became more reliable and easier to use for practical learning. Okay, now we are going to update project plan. On this slide, we show the updated project plan. The updates were made based on evaluation result during the development process. This this adjustment ensured that the final PLC model workbench meets the project objective and learning outcomes. Overall, the updated plans helps optimize time, design quality, and system functionality. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for everyone. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.